Hello everyone, I am Pratik Bharuka from the CMR Institute of Technology, Bangalore. So let me start with a quick question, which even today is of a great concern to our country, and that is, what is the reason behind farmer suicides in India? Did you know that crop failure isn't the only reason behind this? Irrespective of other policies such as loan waivers, crop insurance, MSPs, free subsidies on irrigation, electricity, and fertilizers, the farmer suicides in India haven't stopped. One of the major reasons behind this is ground well failures. Let me give you a broader view. How much does a well digging in India cost? Normally, a traditional well, about 300 to 600 meters in depth, will easily cost a farmer minimum of 4 lakh rupees along with the installation charges of the pipes and the motor. And what if after a few days there is no water? Or what if there's no water at all? This is where we come in. We as a team are working on an innovative solution to this problem. We are using advanced arithmetic and machine learning algorithms to predict the depth and availability of groundwater at any particular area with precision. Advanced techniques like this have already been adopted in countries like the New Zealand, and trust me, the results are just commendable. They have a success rate of more than 98%. Let me help you to picturize this scenario with our application. The farmer opens our application, enters his location, and he already has all the details of the groundwater availability just before the well is dug. My team has developed our very own Desi model to solve this problem. Our mission is to eradicate farm suicides in India, and by doing this, I am sure India will be a self-reliant India, an Atmanirbhar Bharat, a dream of every Indian. Thank you.